Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is revered by Muslims as the last prophet sent by God. He was born in Mecca in 570 CE and is considered the founder of Islam. Muslims believe that the Quran, the central religious text of Islam, was revealed to him by God through the angel Gabriel. Key points about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Final prophet. Muslims believe Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last in a line of prophets that includes Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus. Quran. The Quran is the holy book of Islam, and Muslims believe it contains the direct words of God as revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Sunnah. The Sunnah refers to the practices and sayings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which serve as a model for Muslims to follow. Role model. Muslims consider Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to be the best example of how to live a righteous life. Respect and reverence. Muslims show deep respect and reverence for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is customary to add the phrase, peace be upon him, often abbreviated as PBUH, after mentioning his name waqia Rasul. Allah you are and kindness Prophet of Allah salam waqia Nabi. Talib Dua. Muhammad Asghar Naqshbandi Mujdadi.